Welcome to the Fives Beach Hotel and Residences, a luxurious all-inclusive resort in Playa del Carmen that perfectly blends modern style with a natural tropical vibe. Today, we're taking a look at a 3-bedroom penthouse suite which offers luxury, space, and incredible rooftop views. Hi, I'm Asai, a travel agent specializing in luxury and all-inclusive vacations. The first thing you need to know about a residence here at the Fives is that if you have a 2 or 3 bedroom suite, you will have a common hallway area, as you can see here. This does happen to be a 3-bedroom penthouse suite, so there's a main doorway that you can access with your room key, and then 3 individual rooms that you can also access with your room key or keep them open. You can see here, this is going to be more of your standard room. So this is what a standard room at the Fives is going to look like. This happens to be a 2-bed situation. You can see the bathroom. You have a very large closet size that takes up this entire side of the wall. And you do have a full balcony overlooking the jungle and garden views. Typically with a 3-bedroom residence here at the Fives, you are going to have one 1-bedroom suite, one 2-bed standard room, and one king bed standard room. However, this one's slightly unique because this actually is a 1-bedroom suite attached to 2 rooms that both have 2 beds. I hope that makes sense. Typically, this second room that I'm showing you right now would have a king-size bed. Now here you're entering the 1-bedroom suite, and to the right, I hope you noticed it, the small staircase. We're going to go up there in just a few minutes and take a look at the rooftop area. As you walk into this 1-bedroom suite, you can see it's a little bit different. Think of this more like a 1-bedroom condo. You have a full kitchen with all of your cooking amenities, a dining room, and a family living room area that winds up being a great place for families to gather. And then we'll step into the 1-bedroom. You can see there's a king-size bed attached to a large and wide open bathroom with a gigantic soaking jacuzzi tub. And keep in mind as I'm showing you the bathroom that this is what the other 2 standard rooms are going to look like in terms of the water closet and the shower and the various amenities that are included. Located here in the bathroom is the large closet area. You will have some extra bedding, a safe, your iron and ironing board, plenty of storage, including drawer space. And on the opposite side, you'll find a couple of umbrellas, a laundry bag, your hanging area, bathrobes, slippers, and a scale. Heading back to the entrance of the 1-bedroom suite, you'll come to the staircase, and as you go up the staircase, here is the amazing view that awaits you. You will have a small bar area, a half bathroom, which is incredibly convenient, a large soaking jacuzzi tub, some day beds and lounge chairs, and incredible views all around. Thanks so much for joining me on this room tour at the Fives Beach. If you enjoyed seeing this penthouse, you'll definitely want to check out my full resort tour to see more of the pools, restaurants, and the gorgeous grounds. Or watch my Iberostar resort tour next for another amazing family-friendly option in Mexico. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.